Hi there. So I'm here again, Gerlão Magalhães, Explain Brazil. This channel is your best channel to know more about Brazil and Brazilian Portuguese. Today, I'm going to show you one very important website and app. The name is Memrise. Memrise really works well to a person that is a beginner in Portuguese. So let's see this video if this platform is really useful for all of you. Let's check it out in my screen. How is that? This is Memrise homepage. Basically, in this homepage is showing how is this app and how does it platform works. It's great for expat, travelers, and all the kind of student that wants to know more about a language. And here we can see it's possible to do lessons in a free plan or a pro plan. But basically, we're going to test the free plan version. Anyway, you can test and see many of the courses we have here. Let's try learn Portuguese. And here we have Portuguese from Portugal or Brazilian Portuguese. You can choose whatever you want because you can see both of them. Or you can download the app in the App Store or the Google Play Store. There is a video showing how that's works. It could be good if you understand that. Let's see the Portuguese Brazil. That's the version. We have and start the course. Basically, the first question is, what's your current skill level? So Memrise can plan your lessons, learn from scratch, get started, making good progress, improving my skills. I'm put that learning from scratch. I have zero knowledge. Let's see how is that for a total beginner. As I talk to you, you can use the free plan and let's test it out. Basically, Memrise is a good platform to learn vocabulary because it's going to teach you lots of vocabulary and you understand how to use this vocabulary to learn new words. Let's test how to start this.
Olá,
First, we have the word in Portuguese, olá, and after English. So it's a basic sentence like olá means hello. And you can click the audio
olá,
to listen again. It's very good when you try this. Repeat. So listen and repeat. Olá. If you already know this word, you can click I already know this. But if not, you can click and continue.
e aí?
E aí? What's up? Now you can see there is hi and you need to press the button. What you think is the correct according to that. So hi means olá.
Olá,
So you can press
e aí?
number 4 or you can click with your mouse on it. So e aí means number 3.
E aí?
And then
Vamos lá.
vamos lá, let's go.
Olá,
Again, olá is
olá,
hi.
vamos lá.
Vamos lá. So I will click vamos lá, the correct is number 4. But I will click wrong just to we see how is this work. I will click number 1.
Vamos lá.
It's wrong.
Vamos lá.
So when your answer is wrong, it's going to show you in red and you're going to see vamos lá. In English means let's go. Literal translation is we go there. Okay? We need to pay attention because not all the time we want to learn a new language. We can use the exactly literal translation. So we need to adapt to what the things means in this new language. So let's click next to check more.
E aí?
E aí? What's
E
up?
aí? Eu sinto muito.
Ok, uma nova frase. A new phrase. Eu sinto muito. I am very sorry. Literal translate, I feel much. You see? Again, we cannot translate everything in a literal translation. We need to pay attention about that.
Vamos lá. Vamos lá.
I will click everything correct just to see this progress bar. In the end, how is showing to you. In Portuguese, we have many signals. And of course, in some keyboards, you cannot find that because in many languages, you cannot find this kind of signals. But in either case, you want to put that, don't worry, you can click here and you have the option. You see, and you can see your daily streak has grown. So you have 1 day of streak. You click awesome and you receive how many points you got. Words fully learned 3 and started learning 2. And you can see the scenario summary. The scenario summary is going to show what topic you study. In this case was ratings. The fully learning, started learning and not started. So, and when you see the fully learned means that your memory is very good about this. The Memrise is very nice because you use a spaced memorization with repetitions. As much more you got right, you put like a card in the end of to see again. But in the case you don't know much, it's going to show you again to refresh your memory and you see how important it is to know more about the words. So here we have more. You can have native speaker videos as well. And let's check it out.
Olá. Olá. Ai, sinto muito.
Did you understand the conversation in this video? In this video, she said 3 words we learned in the lesson. If you understood, you can click yes, understood most of it, understand part of it, or didn't understand much. Okay, and you have new videos to watch, and you got more points. And you can use your words practice with AI as well.
Uau, quanto tempo! Como você está?
Beginners catching up with an old friend. So there is a MemBot powered by AI here now in Memrise that you can have a kind of conversation with that. You can type in Portuguese or in English, and you can also translate it. Wow, long time no see, how are you? So I can put in Portuguese, Oi, eu estou bem. That means, hi, I'm well.
O que você tem feito?
You see, o que você tem feito? You can click translate. What have you been up to? Yeah, and you can say, yeah, I am working a lot.
Oh, legal! Você gosta do seu trabalho?
Cool. Do you like your job? Yes, sim, eu gosto. O que você faz para trabalhar? What do you do for work? Eu ensino português. That means I teach Portuguese.
Que legal! Onde você ensina?
That's cool. Where do you teach? Eu ensino online. I teach online.
Isso é ótimo! Você tem muitos alunos?
Oh, that's great. Do you have many students? Sim, tenho muitos. Yes, I have many.
Você gosta de ensinar?
Você gosta de ensinar? Do you enjoy teaching? Sim, eu amo. Yes, I
Isso
love.
é incrível! O que mais você faz?
You can see the translation again. What else do you do? I also work as a YouTuber. Eu também trabalho como YouTuber.
Uau! Sobre o que você faz vídeos?
You see, I put the information in English and show the translation in Portuguese as well. Is other possibility because you can learn new vocabulary. It's amazing to see this progress here as well. O que você faz vídeos? Eu faço vídeos para ajudar as pessoas a aprenderem português.
Isso parece interessante. Quantos vídeos você tem?
You see, I make videos to help people learn in Portuguese. Yeah, And I put without this signals that I talked and automatically change it, okay? And put some corrections as well. It's very nice because you can see some grammar mistakes and going to correct you about this. For example, I will put wrongly here. Eu tenho.
Que legal. Eu preciso ir agora. Vamos conversar depois.
You see, it's the translation. Eu tenho mais de 10 vídeos. There is a correction. So it's good you test the AI here as well. And you got more points. You can share the main bot to the other people as well. It's nice. And basically you can come back again, learning more words and increase your vocabulary. We have many words here. And keep your studying. There is no limit about study in Memrise. So if you want to study all day, you can study all day. You can see the words you have already learned here, my words. And you can check all the words you have studied so far. You can see the scenarios, okay? In the scenarios, you can see the recommended path, introducing yourself, food, and other stuffs here. So you are in the basic greetings, but you can change it for others. Like here.
Como?
You see?
Você.
You can ask if you want to test other. You can show only free scenarios if you don't want to pay more for that. Free scenarios are here. All the situations you need for that. Videos as well. If you want to see more videos, you can try this one. And conversations, if you want to see more things about that, there are many chats you can try. Okay.
As Olimpíadas de Verão estão acontecendo este ano.
There is the translation, and you can try to use. So it's very nice, Memrise, because you have the chance to your streak. How many days are you studying about this? So try to use that as much as possible you want. And if you want to test all the things here, try to do that because testing is the best way to understand everything. There is absolute beginning, but you can also try advanced mastery. There are many levels in Memrise to get better. So basically, Memrise is an excellent program, excellent website to increase your vocabulary. I highly recommend if you want to increase your vocabulary, starting from this point. It's a very good nowadays website also test about conversation with AI or see video with native pronunciation. So if you want to use Memrise, I put 10 out of 10. So the maximal grade about testing this app because it's very wonderful, especially for beginners that know anything. Vocabulary is a very good app or website to use. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment if we want to see anything special for the next video. So thank you so much. This is Explain Brazil, Sherlon. See you. Bye bye.